Hi friends! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making a very simple yet absolutely delicious egg keema curry, a perfect side dish for lunch or dinner. This recipe is super easy, flavorful, and pairs amazingly well with rice, chapati, or even kuboos. So, stay tuned till the end, you won't want to miss this. Let's start by looking at the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. 2 medium-sized onions, 1 ripe tomato, 2 green chilies, 3 boiled eggs, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon, whole spices, a small piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom pods, 1 bay leaf, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, and 1/2 teaspoon fennel seeds. Spices: 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and optionally 1 teaspoon chicken masala. Salt to taste. Water as required. A handful of chopped fresh coriander. A pinch of pepper powder at the end. And of course, some oil for cooking. First, boil 3 eggs, peel them, and keep them aside. Once cooled, crush or chop them into small pieces using a fork or knife. Now, roughly chop the onions and blend them in a mixer, not too smooth, just a coarse paste to keep some texture. Next, blend the tomato separately into a fine paste. This will give us that nice base gravy. Let's start cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan or kadai. Once the oil is hot, add in your whole spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, bay leaf, cumin seeds, and fennel seeds. Let them sizzle and release their amazing aroma. Now, add the ground onion paste. Sauté it on medium heat until it turns golden brown. Be patient, this step is important for flavor. Once the onions are nicely browned, add in the tomato paste. Mix well and cook this mixture until the oil starts separating. This means your masala is well cooked. Now add 2 chopped green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt to taste. Sauté everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to add our crumbled boiled eggs to the masala. Mix it thoroughly so the egg pieces are fully coated with the onion tomato base. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and a few curry leaves. Continue cooking until the raw smell of the paste goes away. If the mixture becomes too thick or starts sticking, add a little water and stir. Now let's spice things up. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and optionally 1 teaspoon chicken masala for extra flavor. Mix everything well and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Add water as needed to get the desired consistency, thick or semi-gravy. Here is the finishing touch. Now sprinkle in some freshly chopped coriander leaves and give it a nice stir. Finally, add a pinch of pepper powder to finish off with a gentle kick of spice. Let it simmer for a minute and then switch off. It's a great recipe for busy days and also a crowd pleaser for guests. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious homemade recipes every day. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.